Alright guys, I know I haven't been posting lately, and I'll explain that on the next video. Something terrible has happened to the nice old Genesis. But in today's video, we're going to be focusing on something I actually never paid attention to, is changing out your cabin air filter. I never thought about this, and I'm like, wow, my past cars, I've never had that changed. And I looked up some videos, and there's actually a little guide inside one of these that shows you step by step, but I don't think it's for my car. I think I threw it away. But anyways, this is the K&N cabin air filter, and all you do is pretty simple and easy. I already took everything out beforehand, all my stuff in here. And there's two little clips, one right here and one on the opposite side. I don't know, it's a little hard to see, but there you go. It's a bit dirty, but all you do is just lift it up a little bit and then push up, and then once it like pops up like that a little bit, just pull it out. It's not gonna break it or anything. Should look like this. Just set that inside there. Same thing here. You gotta push the glove box a little bit up and just pull it out. That's pretty much it. And then once it lowers a little bit even more, there's this thing on our right side over here. All you gotta do is just pull that out like that, and then don't worry, and then it just drops down like that. And the cabin air filter is right here. I've never changed this ever, and I'm kind of curious what it's gonna look like. And it shows us little directions right here, an arrow down and up. So I'm guessing you just squeeze it like that, and then you just pull it, hold on to it and just pull it open, and just put that down right there. And wow, there's some leaves in there. What the fuck? Holy shit. Yeah, that's not good. What is that? At first I thought they were fucking eggs, but anyways, yeah, it was about time I changed it. It's not supposed to look like that. I seen a couple videos. Theirs wasn't that bad, and Jesus Christ, mine is so disgusting. There's some rocks in there, dirt, and whatever those, I don't even want to touch it. What the fuck is that? And that's pretty much it. And bam, there's the new one right there. There's a comparison. Let me show you guys. Yeah, it was about time. And I'm trying to see if pretty sure it doesn't really matter. You just pop it in. Yeah, you just pop it in. That's pretty much it. There you go. Bam. Like a glove. And then just same way, the way you there's this little piece right here, this end piece. You just push it in this gap hole. I don't know if you can see it right here, this hole right here. You put this end piece in there, and then there you that just clips on its own once you push it back in. And that's pretty much it. That's how you change it out, and putting it back together is pretty easy. Let me get a good angle, hard to do with one hand. You just put this piece back on. You don't squeeze or nothing, you just line it up with the hole. There you go. And for these, you just pretty much squeeze this back in. I think they're the exact same. Yeah, they are. So it doesn't really matter which one goes which. They're the exact same. But let me show you guys. You gotta push it up and just put it back in like this. Let me show you on this side. You just push this, all of it, back in, and then you like that. And you push it up, but obviously you gotta push it up so it can fit, because it's not gonna, that little room right there is not gonna fit. So let me take it back out, push it up with my knee over here, and then there you go. That one's in. Bam. just check that we put it on right. Okay, it drops down like that. And there you go. Let's take one good look at this in the sun, and let me tell you guys what I was talking about. See, like, what is that? But anyways, let's show the back side. I mean, obviously it's just a bunch of dirt, but yeah, what the fuck is that? Anyways, yeah, that's really disgusting. Throw that away in the trash. That's it, guys. Hope it's nice and easy. It literally took me just a couple minutes to do. Make sure if you like seeing these type of videos, and give me suggestions. What else would you like to learn? Easy installments, but this is on my, obviously on, I think it goes from 09 to 15 Genesis. But yeah, I'll notify you guys also earlier what I was talking about, what happened to the Genesis and why it took a while to upload. Catch me on the next video, guys. Peace.